Hey guys, so today is going to be my unboxing of my Morphe, and this is for the August. So, it does not feel very heavy this month, so I haven't seen any sneak peeks for this month, so I have no idea what is in here this month. Normally I see a few sneak peeks on like Instagram or whatever, but we shall see what is in here. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back, and thanks for rejoining me today and hanging out. If you guys have not already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my fun videos are coming out. So this month is called Bad and Boozy. I guess it's August, so it looks like it's a wine cup, but okay, so there's only 3 brushes this month, and that kind of sucks. So these better be an expensive set of brushes, but let's start off with this one here. This one is the Morphe G6, and they are the gunmetal ones, which is, I think that's what they're called, they're the gunmetal. This one is a flat buffer brush, and it is a foundation brush, which is awesome. I kind of think I'm going to start using foundation brushes a little bit more, so that is kind of like something that I would definitely be trying out. And then this one here is, this is what it looks like, and this is the G8 from Morphe, and this is a tapered powder brush. So it's probably for getting rid of any like baking or anything like that. Tapered powder blush brush. Okay, anyway, so this could be for blush, I guess. I would never use that for blush, but again, with all the brushes that have been coming in the last little while, I will figure out a way to use this other than what it's for. I'll probably use it to get rid of powder under my face when I'm baking. And the last brush in here is this one here, and this is the G17, and that is what it looks like. So this one is a round blender brush. I will always be happy to get blender brushes in my Morphe subscription. This is obviously for your eyes to get a really good blend in there, and that's awesome. I absolutely love eyeshadow blender brushes. I really feel like no one can have too many of them, so that one is exciting. So that was all 3 of these makeup brushes for August. If you have any of these brushes and you do use them, leave me a comment in the comments below how you like to use them and if you do use them for what they're technically for. Alright, so I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! Hey guys, so today is going to be my unboxing or unbagging of my Morphe subscription for July. Okay, so this month we get 4 brushes. In here is the pamphlet as per usual. So this month is Resting Beach Face, which is kind of funny. I actually have a shirt that I made that says that on it. It is literally one of my favorite sayings for the summer right now. So up first is this brush here, and this is the Morphe M536 brush, and this is an under eye bullet brush, and this is to put on your powder. It's actually for putting on concealer. I probably will never use this for concealer. I use a beauty blender, but I definitely would go in and pat my powder on with this. It's dense, which is nice. It makes sense that it would be a brush to put on your concealer because it's like the nice dense brush that you would to put it in, but I would not blend out with this one just because I don't particularly enjoy using brushes for my under eye concealer. But I will use that for powder. She would to put it in, but I would not blend out with this one just because I don't particularly enjoy using brushes for my under eye concealer. But I will use that for powder. And then this one is the next one here. They sent another flat brush, and this is the M579 brush, and this is the Pro Flat Contour brush. And obviously we know what these are for. It's to chisel in your contour, make sure it's nice. I have one that's very similar to this one, so it'd be good for contouring your nose or chiseling your cheeks. So I actually like those brushes. And then up next is this one is the M492 brush, and you can see it's a duo brush. There's 2 different kinds of fibers on here. And this is the Duo Foundation brush. So this is obviously for foundation. I have been getting a lot of foundation brushes for a little while in these, and I'm not really a foundation brush kind of girl unless it's my one It foundation brush that I like. I don't really, this is small, would never actually use this, so this might just be going in a giveaway. And lastly is this brush here, and this is the Morphe 166 brush. This is an oval eyeshadow brush, and this is great for getting in your corners or patting on with some Fix Plus to get that color really nice in there. It's a little bit big for doing a full cut crease, but it is a nice patting brush for when you want to pat on that color. So I really like these. They are perfect for putting on like glittery colors and stuff like that, or frosts, so I really enjoy those. So those were the 4 brushes that were in my Morphe Me subscription this month, and I probably will use these 2, and these 2 are probably just going to be either given to friends or in a giveaway. So out of the 4 brushes that we got, I guess half isn't so bad. It's just my own preference though. It's not like I dislike the brushes, it's my own preference as to what I will use, and I already think I have one that's just like this one. So that was everything in this month's Morphe Me. So also I wanted to mention that in here is the Live Glam Shadow Me. So they are now doing a eyeshadow palette subscription as well. I don't think I'm going to do this because I do BoxyCharm, and I don't think I need any more eyeshadows. And it's a bi-weekly one, so it's not, or bi-monthly, not bi-weekly, sorry. It's bi-monthly. But I figured I did want to mention that because if any of you out there are looking for some eyeshadows or eyeshadow palettes that are you're trying to build up your collection or anything like that, this would be a good way to do it. It's $19.99, so that is really awesome. If you do live in the States, I think it's free shipping. Don't quote me. I will leave all the information below, but I know I pay for shipping and handling because I live in Canada. So I do recommend this kind of stuff. I don't have a code. It's not sponsored, nothing like that. It's just, I kind of like the idea of being able to have an eyeshadow subscription box as well. So that's pretty cool because it's just eyeshadows. All right, well, that was everything in this Morphe Me this month for July. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.